All right, welcome to Sunnyside Certified. This is Tiger, and Simon had an issue with his LaTrax's Prerunner here. You could hear the motor spinning, but it wasn't getting power to the wheels. And I looked on their, they have videos online to where it was showing how to replace the motor on it. So I got some tips on how to get it out. There were two long screws, I think here and right here was for the cover here. And then there was a shorter screw. So you got the long ones on the left side and one shorter one. And you're able to lift up and take this cover off. So what I found is that the set screw is loose. It's just free spinning, so it's not going to be able to transfer that power to the planetary gear, or was essentially the differential to drive all the wheels. So we're going to use a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench here and tighten up the set screw. And I don't know if there's a spec, but I'm going to try to get to where the teeth are get as much coverage on each other as possible. We're going to tighten that up. Here we're going to lift up a little bit, get this cover back on. Get a long screw in there. And the other long one. And the shorter one goes on right beside the motor. All right, now that we have that, I took this bracket off. It wasn't necessary to take it off, but let's see here. Hook that back up.
Power?
Yeah, try it out, Simon. And there you have it. Hey, that's pretty cool. You can see the steering working. There we go. We fixed it. All right. We'll catch you next time.
Maybe we do a video on this. Driving it. It doesn't really do good in grass like this. It does better on like concrete.
Okay. For it.